Today I'm going to show you how to hide any app or game on your Android phone in just a few quick steps. First, open up settings and scroll down and go to security and privacy. Scroll down and select private space. Enter your mobile PIN. Select hide private space option. Select turn on and select got it. In the search bar, enter private space and you will get this private space tab to open. And in here you can add the application you want. Select the add option and select install app. Select sign in option. Got it. Log into your Google account. After login, you can search for the app you want to install. Select the install option and install the game or app you want. After the installation done, select the play option and you can play the game, guys. Just gonna close this. After you done playing the game, just scroll up and again scroll down. In here you can able to see private. Just click on this lock and the section will be hidden. To open the section again, you just need to go to search and type private space. Select the private space and type the password. This private space will be open up like this. You can add even more apps just by installing. And to lock this, select the lock option and it will be not shown in your phone, guys. And that's how you can hide any app or game on Android in 2025. Quick, simple and secure.